Step into the 2014 Toyota Tundra Limited. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are variable speed intermittent wipers, Bluetooth connection, 4-wheel disc brakes, passenger airbag sensor, cruise control, passenger vanity mirror, ABS, and front side airbag. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.